In other news, the DepEd says schools will have to hold makeup classes for sessions that were suspended due to the recent inclement weather. Areas that suspended classes were mostly in Luzon. Let's hear from Sam Ramirez.
In a year, the Department of Education has allotted 201 school days. 100 days of that is mandatory, while the remaining 21 are considered as buffer days, intended for cancellation of classes. And since there were many local government units which announced no classes when Labuyo, Maring, and Habagat visited us, the department has ordered for school superiors to review if they need to have makeup classes. This is according to Assistant Secretary Tonicito Umali.
Meron tayong kautusan na inilabas at ito'y inulit muli ng ating kalihim brother Armin Luistro na dapat tingnan na ng ating mga paaralan at i-monitor ng mga school division superintendent po natin nationwide yung pagsasagawa ng makeup classes.
But this does not automatically require schools to have makeup classes on weekends. There are other ways to do it.
May dalawang pamamaraan. Additional number of hours per day o sa Sabado sila'y pwedeng magsagawa ng makeup classes at pwede rin naman na additional assignments. Nasa kanila yan. So dapat balansehin yan.
ASEC Umali added that other schools may not need to have makeup classes because they were not affected by the bad weather.
Kaya sa ngayon, buong bansa natin at iba-iba yan. Sa Malabon halimbawa, wala silang pasok habang yung ibang syudad sa Kalakhang, Maynila ay may pasok naman. Sa Kalakhang, Maynila, nakansela ang klase maski walang bagyong idineklara ang Pag-asa dahil sa matinding pagbaha. At may pasok naman sa Visayas at Mindanao. Kaya iba-iba po yan.
Reporting for the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.